Today we're in beautiful Preston, Idaho, the scene of the movie Napoleon Dynamite.
This is pretty much the worst video ever made.
Napoleon, like anyone can even know that.
Hello my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. Coming to you from Preston, Idaho. Now this is the scene of the movie Napoleon Dynamite. For some reason I like going to movie scenes and locations. And usually they're kind of a letdown, but I still like going to them. So I'm here with my son. He's there in the background. It's kind of a rainy day. We're going to just drive around, check out some of the film locations, and just explore a little bit. Even though it's a rainy day, our spirits are high. Just outside of the city of Preston, about a mile or so, we have the home that was used as Napoleon Dynamite's home, and his brother Kip, of course. My son said we should get a video of this bus because it very well may be the bus that Napoleon Dynamite threw his action figure out on this gravel road that we're on right now.
What are you gonna do today, Napoleon?
Whatever I feel like I want to do. Gosh!
And on another beautiful Idaho day here, don't forget to vote for Pedro. There's Pedro Sanchez's home, and right here is where Napoleon did that sweet jump on the sledgehammer.
You ever take it off any sweet jumps?
Preston Senior High School. These steps, maybe where Napoleon was drawing a picture of a liger. And we have a bike rack over there, another place to put a sledgehammer. And maybe one of these trees was where Pedro had a piñata of summer.
What are you drawing?
A liger.
This Deseret Industries thrift store is the place to go if you want to get yourself a really nice suit for prom. It's right on Main Street, Preston here.
Pedro, how do you feel about that one?
It looks nice.
Right on the Main Street as you come into Preston, Idaho, is the Pop and Pins Lanes. And this is where Uncle Rico and Kip went bowling. And they had the bumpers up, of course. We'd go in there and bowl a few frames, but they're closed for renovations right now. And I think they discussed some business. About to go get some photos and some badges.
Please, be good to me. Please, keep going. Dad.
What are you looking at, boss? A couple miles outside of town. Got this beautiful home here where a cake was dropped off. See if Summer would go to the dance with Pedro. So we're kind of just doing drive-bys on a lot of these here. We're trying to respect people's property, our privacy. People are living in these homes. But we're coming up on the home where Trish lived in the movie. Napoleon dropped off the portrait where he spent several hours shading her upper lip. Nice Idaho skies today. Okay, I'd like to apologize. I've been having some audio issues with my phone lately, but this is the egg factory, chicken factory, where Napoleon Dynamite went to work, and of course he got paid in change at the end. We stopped here. It's actually open to the public, but it was closed on the day we went. And it doesn't really look too much like the movie, but this was definitely the chicken farm. You couldn't access a whole lot of it. Well, that was kind of fun. Like I said, I just get a kick out of doing that sort of thing. I don't know if anyone else does, but if you do, yeah, go check out Preston. It's got that small town charm. It's a little bit off the I-15, north of Salt Lake City. I don't know, about 80, 100 miles north of Salt Lake City. So check it out if you want to, but if you don't, hey, you watch my video and see it. Alright, if you're liking my content, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.